Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today behind me I have a 2022 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 166 FBS. So if you're looking for something super small, but also want to take it off-roading or dry camping or anything like that, this is the trailer for you. Easy to maneuver, very easily towable, and yeah, let's take a look. On the outside right here, you'll notice this little bar on the outside of the rig. This gives you a little bit more protection for that off-road experience, yeah? So all the trees and the bark and everything, that'll just give you more protection there. You got some pass-through storage right here on the side. You even got a place for the grill to be hooked up on the side over here, but nice space we got over here. And then you also got your kitchen out here, so you can take that grill, put it right here, hook it into there in that hitch, and then hook the propane up right there, and then your refrigerator is just right there. Super nice. Nice little small intimate trailer. This does have an awning with some speakers on the outside, as well as a walkable roof. So, I mean, it sounds pretty good to me for something small and easily towable. Let's go and take a look inside. Before you come inside, you can see on your right-hand side here, we got your controls for all your heating needs. And to your left here, we also got the kitchen, the fridge and the freezer. Sorry, I should probably let you come in. Come on in, man. So you can actually see the whole entire coach, right? So right here, we got the fridge as well as the freezer. Actually, pretty big size for this small trailer. You also got more storage right here with adjustable shelving as well. And then here on the bottom, just more storage for these things. I honestly really like this small little trailer. It's really nice. Then you got your right here in your kitchen, okay? So everything's pretty compact, but you know, it's for a reason and it's fulfilling every little purpose that you need. We got the 3-burner stove cooktop right there, as well as the drawer. And then we have more drawers on the bottom for all your pots and pans. And just more and more storage here. Use it however you would need. You got the microwave on the top here, as well as another place for storage. Super nice. Then just a little bit to the left here, you also can see that we got a 32-inch HD TV here. What's really cool about this also is that it is swivelable. So if you pull this latch right here, then you can actually put more stuff in there as well. And we even got these holders, so you can place it right on here for the couch. Go ahead and take a look at that. And you can enjoy while you're on the couch. And it has 2 of them too. So, and we also got this table right here. This couch does convert into a sleeping space. So if we just pick this up, pretty easy to go ahead and put that as a sleeping space, so you don't have to all sleep in the bed. You also got storage here on the top, and you got your queen size mattress right here. It is sitting sideways here, so it makes for more room, yeah? You got more stuff and storage on the top here. Let's get some more light in there. Super nice coach, guys. I mean, easily towable, maneuverable, super easy. And you even got more storage right here in the front. Awesome. And as if you didn't need more storage, we also got some on the bottom here. And what's cool about these ones, after you unhook them, to keep them stable while you're driving it, obviously, you can pull them out, and they even turn into an ottoman. So if you're sitting here hanging out, you can totally do so and put your feet up, kick back, hang out while you're in the trailer. Super nice. And with this ottoman, there's more space in there too to store stuff. Super cool. Then we also have the bathroom right here in the back, which is super, super nice. We got the corner shower. We got the sink as well as the porcelain toilet. Then you all got room for storage. Super nice here. Got the natural sunlight coming on in. Well, not sunlight right now, right? Because it's raining. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions about this rig or any of the other rigs, feel free to call me, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks for watching, guys.